How to delete Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can delete your Instagram account. Now after the update, there is no any option to delete or deactivate your Instagram account on the Instagram app itself. However, here is a easy solution. All you have to do is head into your browser, head into any browser on your phone and then search in for instagram.com. Now here what you want to do is log into your account on Instagram browser. You can see I'm on instagram.com here and I'm logged into my account on the browser. Now once you log in, what you want to do is head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen that you can see the profile icon just as you'll get in the app. Then what you want to do is tap on the edit profile option at the screen that you can see there. Tap on edit profile and scroll all the way down below and you'll find at the bottom right corner you can see temporarily deactivate my account. Simply tap on temporarily deactivate my account and you'll be able to deactivate your account here. If you scroll down below, you can select the reason why you're deactivating this account, and then to continue it'll ask you for password. Simply enter your password in here and then at the bottom you can see the option temporarily deactivate account. Simply tap on it. Now if you want to delete your Instagram account, all you have to do is deactivate your account and wait in for 30 days and your account will be deleted if you don't log in within 30 days back again. So this way you can delete your Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.